For parents to access the Positivity Project parent resources, they will first go to posproject.org for the main page of the Positivity Project. Then they'll go over to the tab that says Resources, and a drop-down list will appear. You'll go down to P2 for Families and click there for those resources. Once you arrive at the P2 for Families homepage, it'll describe what P2 for Families is, and you can select the grade level which is appropriate to the student. For this example, we are going to pick grades pre-K through 2. And then that will bring us to the pre-K through 2 page for families. And as you scroll down, you can see all the different character strengths to choose from. I'm going to select kindness. This is where you put in your password. The password is P2 to enter. I've already have it selected in there. The password allows access to the details of each character strength. There you'll have 1 quote, 1 video, and 3 questions about the character strength. If you would like to know more about it, you can click here where the 1-page character card, and it will pull up a PDF of the character strength. Gives you a description of what the character strength means, what it looks like, why it matters, in addition to quotes on kindness as well. Once you're done reading that, you can X out of it, go back to the kindness area of the P2 for Families resources, and you can scroll down and see another quote, a video to watch with your student, and then questions that you can use to discuss the character strength with your student. If you have more than one student, you simply go back up. You can go back to the P2 for Families homepage. Select the grade range for your other student. We'll do 3 through 5. Once again, scroll through the character strengths to find the character strength for the week. We will do kindness again. Character card will be the same. You'll have a different quote, different video, and then additional questions for the upper grades. And that is how parents can access the P2 for Families resources for the Positivity Project.